charm. I think that one lasted me 7 months, if I'm not mistaken. So I've got a brand new one, and they smell so lekker, like sweeties. And I'm going to do my liquid liner. This is like the best liquid liner, especially for somebody that struggles. Dankie vir die mooi compliment. Because the tip is quite solid. In other words, it doesn't bend. So it really helps you to create those lines proper. And to get that perfect, sharp wing. I love a wing. Wings is my thing. Okay, and now this side. I am loving this weather, guys.